Hello and good day to madam. My name is Teoh. My match number is A21H3152. Today I will present about our product that is Awesome Fruit Burger. Hi, it's me, Feng again. Before we start, let me introduce our corporation company. Our corporation company is Financial Shoji Limited Company. Financial Shoji is a fruit and vegetable trade firm based in Japan. They are founded in 1974. Financial Shoji also will provide fresh food and vegetables to whole world supply chain. And we cooperation with Financial Shoji to develop a new product that is burger fruit. Next, I will talk about our awesome fruit burger marketing objective. We have three marketing objectives in our awesome fruit burger. That is provide a guide for general direction and particular activities. Besides that, we also have main mission that is we provide health and happiness to people through our food. Next, we also have taken part in innovation to contribute to an increase in the sense of newness. After that, I will talk about marketing strategy. In marketing strategy, we have segmentation. For segmentation, we can categorize into four groups. First is behavioral. For behavioral marketing, we have make a marketing survey for 5 years to determine taste and quality, fulfill Malaysian taste. After that is demographic. For demographic, our product burger fruit has met the international standard, so that our product is very safe and tasty. After that, our product only sell with price 5 ringgit and 99 cent. That is very affordable and friendly to the consumer because they only need use the lower price to get the maximum of healthy. After that is psychological graphic. Malaysian death with heart attack disease is number one in Asia, so that they need to have a balanced food diet to maintain body health. So our product can help them to maintain their body health with provide with vitamin and minerals. This can easily the digest system in human body. After that is geographic. For geographic, consumer can find us in hypermarket and supermarkets such as Maidin, Lotus, and Jaya Grocery. Next, I will talk about targeting. For targeting, we are focused target customer group with all age of the customer because our product is satisfies the preference of all clients. For differentiation, we will attract an innovation product of fruit burger that can form ideal and accurate marketing mix strategy. Next is positioning. For positioning, we are cultivate the interest of Malaysian to enjoy food instead of fast food because fast food will harmful to our body. Next, I will talk about marketing mix. For marketing mix, we have product strategy. For product strategy, we can categorize into for some example, there is product label. For product label, we have label with company name and expiry date and method to having our fresh food. Next is product property. We have state product mineral and vitamin value so that consumer will use our product with safety. Next is pricing strategy. We have only fixed the price at 5 ringgit and 99 cents because this price is very afford to the most consumer based on our survey. After that is place strategy. We have two places, that is company store in mall and official company website so that consumer can use multi-channel to order our product. For promotion strategy, we have using viral marketing, that is using social media to promote our product. First is Facebook page and website and YouTube. Next, I will talk about action plan. We have three action plan in our company. First is customize with a price that can compete in the market. Second is observe and target the fruit burger target customer in the market. The last one action plan is promote product through advertisement and social media to show the product value. In conclusion, our company has high hope that this newly released burger will be well received by customer and that a great number of customers will be interested in trying it out. That's all for me. Thank you.